Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome browser in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Chrome. You'll be getting the first link from google.com. Just click that, and here you'll be getting an option to download Google Chrome itself. Just click on it, and it is just about 8 MB in size, so it gets downloaded in a second. Just open the file, just click on yes, and you'll be getting the initializing thing from Google Chrome, and it will download the necessary stuff. So once the download is complete, the installation will begin, and after some time you will be getting sign in to Chrome. So you can sign in with your Google account or just not sign in. I will just click on don't sign in, and if you want you can just set as your default browser or skip it, and that's it. We will be getting our Google Chrome ready over here. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.